How to log in into your Saga Car Insurance account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sign in into your Saga Car Insurance account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is you will need to open up your web browser and search for Saga Car Insurance. After you search for Saga Car Insurance, you should see the Saga's website. Head over there. After you're on the website, there you will see on the top right corner, My Saga. All you have to do is tap on it now, and after you tap on it, it will redirect you to the login page. So as you can see now, you can create your account or sign in. So type in your email address, which is associated to your account. And after you do that, hit enter. That is, hit next. And after you do that, you can then type in your password and then log in. If you've forgotten your email, you can reset it from right here. And also, if you've forgotten your password, you can reset that from here as well. And that's basically how you log in into your Saga Car Insurance account, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.